Mauricio Soto. We're at Cimarron, Kansas with Triple S Diesel LLC. So we're more into the repair and building of the truck business side of it. So this is one of our customers' trucks actually. They brought it down to show it off and we came down to help them get it all set up and whatnot. So this is a 05 Peterbilt 379. This was actually an old Warner truck that we took. It was a 70-inch sleeper truck, stripped it down to just cabin chassis, redid the frame, did a complete VATA frame on the engine, everything new, went back into the engine, built it to a low compression Acer. It's set up around a 650 horse setup right now, just a good work truck engine right now. We did single turbo, full tilt manifolds on it. Then we painted the complete truck, Lincoln chrome bumper, stacks, new gen visor, new gen badges on the side of the hood. Yeah, I mean, we've just done all the basics to it, you know. I mean, it's a good old work truck. So we did a complete interior in this one where we did the day cab conversion on this. We had to build all the back pieces for it custom since none of that was there before. This truck didn't have a headliner in it either when we first got it, so we had to build all that from scratch also. It's all ostrich leather, blue ostrich leather. We did ostrich leather on the gauge panels and everything too, so everything gets built in-house by us. We don't outsource any of that stuff, so we do have a ton of fun doing that.
How long did the complete build process on this one take?
About 6 to 8 months, I believe, is what we had into it. So.